Hello friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Nazmul Haq in front the camera. My student of English therapy, my batch number is 234 and my ID number is 25079836. Dear friends, today I would like to share about my home district. My home district is Mymensingh. Mymensingh is located in the north-central part of Bangladesh as well as beside the mighty Brahmaputra River. It holds both beauty and history in its heart. The natural beauty of Mymensingh is truly breathtaking. Mymensingh is one of the most beautiful and historical districts of Bangladesh. Its green paddy fields, calm rivers, and charming villages make it a peaceful home for more than 5 million people. The people of Mymensingh are very simple, hardworking, and friendly. Agriculture is the main occupation here. Mymensingh is called the education city of Bangladesh because of its famous institutions like Mymensingh Agricultural University, Kazi Nazrul University, Mymensingh Medical College, Mymensingh Anandamohan College, Mymensingh Nasirabad College, Muminunnesa Women's College, Mymensingh DS Kamil Madrasa, as well as Muktagacha Abbasiya Kamil Madrasa, and so on. Our district is famous for its rich history. It was established in 1787. It's one of the oldest districts in Bangladesh. Its old name is Nasirabad. On the other hand, the most popular painter of Bangladesh, Mr. Jainal Abidin, who was born in our home district. According to his name, there is a very beautiful park and museum in our home district. Every day, a lot of people visit the park and spend their leisure time. Moreover, our Mymensingh is called the Ulama Karam's city because there are a lot of madrasas, a lot of mosques, a lot of Hafiz Quran and Ulama Karams here. And they are very pious people. And finally, I would like to say that Mymensingh is not just my home district. It's my identity, my pride, and my inspiration. My dear friends, thank you so very much for watching this video so patiently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.